After the child comes out of the cast, a lot of the times the doctor will order braces. There are a lot of different options. Most common are these little gray boots called Mitchell boots, and they're attached to a Dobbs bar, and it keeps the child's foot in a corrected position about 23 hours a day. So it's super important for the parents to be involved, stretch the feet, keep the child in the boots the allotted amount of time. As the kid grows, we can increase the size of boots. We can also change the style of Dobbs bar that is used to keep the child's feet in that corrected position. As the child progresses and starts to crawl and walk, then less time is required in those Mitchell gray Dobbs bar and boots system, because that's designed just for sleeping or rest in a static position. Give or take about the age of 4, then the child will probably start weaning off the nighttime braces. Maybe go to a lower profile, something like a custom arch support, which will give enough corrective position as the child grows, as their ligaments and tendons progress and their skeleton matures.